What's up guys? In this video, let's check out how the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus 2018, a phone with no water resistance, does against rain or water accidents. After the surprising water test success of the lower variant Galaxy J4 2018, some of you wanted the same test on the Plus variant of the Galaxy J4. So here it is. Pointing out the difference, unlike the uncommon plastic back on the Galaxy J4, which can be removed, the J4 Plus here has a more normal kind of unibody design. Continuing with the test, let's check out the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass protection. This layer not only reduces fingerprint smudges, but also helps in resisting water to a certain degree by forming droplets and rolling off the screen. Water tends to stick to the glass instead of rolling off in devices like in the Vivo V9 Pro, Y81 and the Realme series, and doesn't at all help in repelling water. We'll soon find out if the Galaxy J4 Plus is able to reach the heavy drenching round after light splashing. Devices tend to react differently in the test, like for example, the Asus Zenfone 5Z had suffered display damage due to water seeping inside the screen, or the Redmi Y2 where the screen had gone blank for 14 hours. Besides that, the most common reaction to water is distorted and low audio from the external speakers. This may last from a few seconds to several hours and can permanently damage the sound unit. So how will the Galaxy J4 Plus react to the water abuse? Every Samsung device with side-firing speakers have traditionally not performed well on the channel, and it is also the same with the Galaxy J4 Plus. From just a few seconds of exposure, the low and distorted audio from the external speakers took about 45 minutes to become normal, and any prolonged exposure may lead to permanent damage.